Chapter 1. The Enchanted Forest.
In a deep, enchanted forest, there existed a remarkable secret called talking trees. These trees were unlike any others, for they could chat and share stories with the animals that lived among them. It was a magical place where the whispers of the wind and the songs of the birds filled the air with stories waiting to be told.
Chapter 2. The Wise Old Oak.
At the heart of the forest stood an ancient oak tree named Oliver. He was the oldest and wisest of the talking trees. With branches that reached high into the sky and roots that dug deep into the earth, Oliver was a symbol of strength and wisdom. Animals from all around came to hear his tales.
Chapter 3. A Curious Rabbit.
One sunny morning, a curious rabbit named Rosie hopped over to Oliver's towering presence. Her fluffy ears perked up as she asked,
"Mr. Oliver, can you please tell me a story about the changing seasons?"
Oliver's bark creaked with a gentle smile as he began to share his wisdom.
Once upon a time, in the heart of winter, the forest lay beneath a soft, white blanket of snow. All the animals nestled in their warm burrows, patiently waiting for the arrival of spring.
Chapter 4. Spring's Arrival.
As Rosie listened with wide eyes, Oliver continued.
When spring finally made its grand entrance, the forest came alive with vibrant colors and the hum of busy bees. The once sleepy buds on the trees burst open to reveal blossoms, and the world seemed to dance with joy.
Rosie was captivated by the tale, and she asked with enthusiasm,
"What happened in the summer?"
Chapter 5. Summer Splendor.
In summer,
Oliver narrated,
the sun shone brilliantly, warming the forest. The trees stretched their branches high into the sky, offering shade to the animals below. The forest buzzed with picnics, laughter, and the melodious songs of birds.
As Oliver spoke, more animals gathered around, their eager eyes fixed on the wise oak tree. The leaves on the trees rustled softly, as if they too were eager to hear the stories being shared.
Chapter 6. Stories of Wonder.
One by one, animals of all shapes and sizes came to Oliver, yearning to hear stories about far-off lands, distant oceans, and adventures beneath the starry night sky. They discovered that even though they couldn't journey beyond the forest, they could explore the world through stories and imagination.
Chapter 7. The Gift of Imagination.
The talking trees, led by Oliver, showed the animals the beauty of sharing stories, the joy of learning, and the magic of imagination. Every day, as the wind rustled through the leaves and the forest creatures gathered around, the trees whispered tales of love and friendship. The enchanted forest became a place where knowledge and laughter filled the air, all thanks to the extraordinary gift of talking trees.